Yo, what up, Christmas carolers? It's me, our dog. Yo, what up, Christmas carolers? It's our dog coming at ya with a video on how to be festive for the holidays, specifically during COVID, and also alone, in case you can't see your family and friends. Before we hop right in, please make sure to subscribe to my channel because you just never know when you're gonna get more stuff like this right when you need it, okay? So please subscribe for your own good. Okay guys, the first way to be festive is to put up a Christmas tree, obviously, okay? Watch as I put up a Christmas tree. And even if you can't afford a huge tree, just get a little one like I did, because you know what? It lights up the room and it brights up your mood. The second way to be festive is to put up Christmas lights. Now, I know that just might seem like the same thing as a Christmas tree, but no, you can put Christmas lights anywhere. You can put them outside your door, like you're outside your house on a window, like by the door. You can put them on top of your house, but I don't know how to do that. You can buy one of those things that just shines a light or like lights onto your wall. You can put them on your tree. You can put them in your room. You can just throw them over something. You can put them on your dog. The third way to be festive is to eat holiday related things. Watch. And you can also bake stuff. Bake holiday stuff, okay? I'm personally not going to do that, but people who like baking can do that, okay? The fourth way to be festive is to indulge in some holiday entertainment, okay? This means you can watch movies, holiday movies specifically. You can listen to Christmas music or watch Christmas music. I'm sure there's music videos out there. Watch. The fifth thing you can do is spread some holiday cheer, okay, guys? Get some gifts for people. Make some gifts for people. Send some cards. Make some cards. Take pictures of your dog dressed up in holiday gear and send it to people. Or share it on Instagram. Share it on social media. Do other things around the house, like those other things I mentioned, those 4 other tips, and then share those on social media, okay? And that way, you're spreading the holiday cheer. Pro tip slash hidden 6th tip. Just yell things all the time, and apparently, you'll be more festive. Okay, guys, that's it. That's 5/6 ways to be festive this holiday season during COVID, in the pandemic, while you're socially isolating, physical distancing, wearing masks, because in all of these you can wear a mask, but also in all of these you don't need to be around people, so you don't need to wear a mask, okay? And that's that. If you liked it, if it worked, please like my channel, subscribe to my channel, drop me a comment, say Merry Christmas. I love that. I love that. And happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Yeah. See you next time.